This is my Elu DS140 biscuit jointer, and as you can see, it's a bit poorly. Like a fool, I got my foot caught on the cord and I pulled the machine off the workbench, and it ended up putting the biscuits in on a bit of an angle like that. So that part that holds the jointer, that fits in there, and somehow that was kind of out of alignment. Now initially I thought it was that pin, and that runs all the way through there, and I thought that was slightly bent, so I made another one of those. So that's that, and I put it back together again, and it was still not right, still on an angle. So I've realised that actually somehow I've bent this piece, and I'm a bit surprised that it bent. I thought it would have just broken, but yeah, it seems that I've bent this piece, so that hole is not parallel with that hole where the pin goes. Now I'm almost certain that I won't be able to get this part, because this has not been made for, I don't know, 30 years or something like that. So desperation times, I've bored this out to 12mm. It's was 10mm to fit that 10mm shaft, and I've made a 12mm to 10mm spacer or sleeve, and I'm going to press that into that hole, and hopefully that'll get it running central again. Now when I bored that hole out, I clamped it on the mill table so that the hole will be parallel with that hole there. As you can see, it's pretty off center, so it's much thicker at this side than it is on that side, which just shows that the you know, that hole was really out of alignment with that hole. Right, that's the brass bush pressed in. That's a 12mm bush, and the hole is 10mm. So that now, if I've done it correctly, that pin should be parallel with that hole. So we'll put it back together and see whether it's improved it. There we go, it looks like my little bodge has worked. So before it was like that, and there must have been a millimetre difference one end to the other. Ignore that one, it's a bit burnt because I put the blade the wrong way around.